Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change your name on Instagram. Friends, if you want to change name in your Instagram profile, then you simply need to open your Instagram. In Instagram, press on your profile image. Now here you need to press on edit profile. In edit profile, you will find the option to change your name or username etc. Just change your name to nickname or whatever you want to use, and after doing the changes press on this tick icon and all your changes will be saved. So friends, like this you can very easily change your name on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.